Then itong eyes niya, ultrasonic sensor. Meron din siyang mga motor. Ayan, ito yun. Then may maliliit na motor pa siya. Then yung mga parts. Now of course, syempre, if you will ask me, Teacher Jonal, kaya bang buuin talaga ito ng grade 3? Yes, kaya siyang buuin. Now, hindi lang po ito yung robot na kaya nilang buuin. Marami pa silang pwedeng robot na gawin. Basta gamitin lang nila yung maging creative lang sila. Okay? Wag lang silang, usually, ang challenge namin sa kids, don't be, dun sa box. Wag lang kayo makontain sa box. Kumbaga, explore, go beyond. Ibig sabihin, think out of the box. If this is what we ask you to do, think more what you can do, excel. So I believe that yung students natin may excel. Ano ba yung subjects na pwede ng dito? Math, grammar, science. So talagang mag-excel sila doon. So simple lang to, mga 10 seconds lang. Okay. So here, I already started the program. Yan that. I already started the program but it's not yet moving. Okay? But kasi meron ako nilagay ditong touch sensor. So yung touch sensor, once I press the touch sensor, the robot will start moving. Try ko po Pag hindi ko malang palit na lang ang program. Yan. Yan. Okay? Oops. Yan. So, simple movement. Simple movement siya. Naririnig niyo po ba ako sa likod? Yan. Simple movement siya. Another move niya. So, forward, then turn, then forward, then turn. So, yan. Simple movement lang siya, but the kids can do more. Kumbaga, of course, yung arms, pwede nilang paggalawin yan. Pwede rin yung may mga control na sila. Meron din yung part na to, meron siyang infrared. Ibig sabihin, through infrared, pwede niyang ma-detect yung object. Then, aside from that, using yung gadget natin, yung Wi-Fi, so pwede mong kontrolin yung robot using yung Wi-Fi. So, this is for now pa lang. So, we will explore pa. Kumbaga, mas marami pa kayong malalaman about LEGO EV3 through your kids. So, malalaman nyo, Daddy, ito yung ginawa namin. Daddy, ito yung So, I hope that we'll see you next year enrolling your kids for the robotics class. Thank you.